Hey guys, I'm here to introduce to you the brand new Madoats desk fan. With its very simple and easy to use design, it's not only flexible, lightweight and robust, it's very handy when you're working in the office, especially when it's really hot and you really need some cool air. The easy to use function only has two buttons. One for controlling the strength of the fan, and two to make it even cooler. Make sure you add extra water when you're using this function. You can also put ice in to make it colder. Oh, it's so good. When using the extra cool setting, make sure you have the drip tray open to allow any excess water to drip down. In conclusion, the Madoats desk fan is a must-have for the office space. I recommend it highly and definitely worth having. Thanks.